Do you want to learn how to make these cute Easter Bunny cupcakes? Stay tuned and watch. So to do the bunny, I just wanted to walk you through it real quick before we actually start. And to make it a ruffly bunny like it is, as you can see the piping's more ruffly, I have a large star closed tip on the piping bag. And then for the eyes, they're the black little bead eyes that are really nice because they give that reflection of white in them just because they're round. And then of course the fondant tail, ears, and feet that I made in the other video that I'll put down the links down below if you haven't seen those to know how to make the ears, tail, and the feet. Now I have my chocolate cupcakes here ready and my cream cupcakes, and I will show you exactly how I do it. And then for the nose, I have a little star tip, and then I have pink Italian ring frosting in this bag to pipe the little nose. First thing I'll show you to do is all you have to do is put a little head on. So you just squeeze down, and there's your bunny head. And then to make the body, obviously it has to be bigger. So make it so it's ruffly and round like this. And that's all there is to it. And then you put the tail on, of course, or the feet first, whatever you want to do. I'll turn it this way so you can see how I did the feet. And I just laid them down like this. And then I put the bunny tail on. I just stick it in the cupcake. And then I put the ears on. One ear here, one ear here. And then the little eyes. So one eye here and one eye here. And then for the nose, just squeeze a tiny bit of the pink right in the center. And it's done. You could probably put whiskers on it too, get creative with that, but I'm just gonna leave it like this. And make sure whoever gets this that they know there's toothpicks in the cupcake. Another thing I was gonna mention, if you have cute cupcake holders for the occasion, then just put those on before you decorate. You can do them either or, but it's just easier to do them before. And I'm just gonna place mine on before. I mentioned in another video, if you bake with the decorative ones, a lot of times the butter will come through and then the decorations on the cupcake holder won't show and the bottom won't show like these are now. And see how it's not very pretty, but then that's why you want to bake them in just a regular cupcake holder, and then the pretty ones you put on later. I'm going to be doing Easter Bunny cakes for the next 3 days, so I hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching.